Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a feature for Scrap Diva Designs. Her new Easter line is out and we are working with the Gumball machine. Here's her information. I will have her linked below as well. And please follow the hashtag. It's Scrap Diva Designs. You may find some inspiration there. If I have inspired you, please use my discount code. It's V10. I will have it linked below as well. So this is all the pieces that we're going to use. I've made two gumball machines and the second one you'll see at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using some butterflies. I'm also using a Scrap Diva Designs bow die, and that bow die comes in three: a large, a medium, and a small. And so I'm using the smallest one. So I've already prepped this part right here. This is the top part of the gumball. I added the eggs. The eggs come in with the gumball machine as well. So I just put 3 eggs and I glued them to the back of the shaker part. So this is the shaker part. I'm also adding a backing. I love backings on my pieces. It's durable. So this sequence mix is from Diva. I will have her linked below as well. She gifted this sequence mix in a rack and I love it. So I had the opportunity to use it in this gumball shaker, which I did. I went ahead and did the top portion. Now I'm going to start on the bottom half of the gumball machine. So all the pieces are what I'm going to use here. I did use scraps, so as you can see, the bottom half with the pink house, you can see the bottom is kind of like cut out. It was a scrap, but we're going to cover that, so it's fine. You guys use up your scraps if needed. I was able to do that, and actually this was the last of the mint paper sheet that I had, so I needed to use it. So I did. Adding the little bunny rabbit. So the little bunny rabbit also comes with your die, and I think it's so cute. It's so little miniature. You can use it as a charm as well. You could also use it in the middle of your bows, which I absolutely love too. On the bottom of the gumball machine, I did add some foam to the back of that piece. It's the foundation piece, so that's from Hobby Lobby. I also added some foam to the top to make the shaker as well. So now that I got that out of the way, I do want to mention that initially I wanted to have the top piece flipped over, so the middle part is the top. I wanted to have both of them, different, so you can see how you can use it both ways, but I ended up forgetting, and just so they're both the same. I'm adding the bunny ears to the bow, so I liked that. You guys can use these bunny ears for the miniature bow, which looks so cute by itself, and just gift as gifts or add to favors, even your craft. This could be a craft fair idea as well. I think it's so cute and of an embellishment that someone could make their own. So I'm also adding that bow to a double-sided foam piece. So I think I like it there. If you follow the hashtag, you can see the others, how they used this gumball machine. I think everyone had some great ideas. And so I am using this portion with the bunny ears and the bow as some did in theirs as well. So you could just do it as, I was initially thinking of using this as a tag as well, making this embellishment as it is now, and then just adding some tags in the back. So there it is, you guys. Hopefully you like that. And if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know if you like the bunny ear gumball or just the bow gumball machine. So cute. I added the tassel. It's a paper tassel. Added my paper beads. I do have a file for that if you want it. Just go to the playlist and click on free SVG files, so you'll find that there. So if you have any other questions, link it below and I will get to you as soon as possible. This concludes the video, and I do also want to show Erica's information. And there it is, you guys. So go check her out. My code is V10 again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.